Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video update on my layout. So as you can see, I've got a new loco. I've acquired a BR green class 25. It's a Backman branch line loco. Right, that's my class 25 out of the box, so you can see it better. Came with some accessories which I might add later. So I'll get it out of the box. Hi guys, so I've got the class 25 green BR loco on the track, so I'm going to give it some accelerate along the line, and we're going into the siding to my new right, and I've stopped it up my new goods yard that I got. So this is my class 20. It's a 79.3, it says on the headboard, and it's a BR green loco. Very smart with a red buffer beam. So I'll send the class 25 BR green off in that direction, off out of the siding into the main line. That's it on the main line now. It's a little bit sticky, but I think, and I'll stop it there because I've got to change the point. Right, change the point and off it goes on the main line again, and I'll stop it just there, and I'll change this point and I'll send it up to the, I don't know why that's sticky, it's a little bit sticky, into the engine shed. Alright guys, so that's my 3 locos in the engine shed. I've got a class 47, class 20 and class 25 in the sheds. And you might have noticed something else. I've got a lovely oak tree in the middle of the layout, which I think looks rather nice. Diesels in the background. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next update on my layout. Bye.